Right, here you go guys. Project Fizzy. Go, have a look, tell me what you think. You can restore it. Do the wheels, do the exhaust, do the engine. There we go. Powder coat everything. Powder coat the frame. Maybe. I think it needs it really. Repaint it. Sort the engine out. It does run, which is good. It does run. There we go. Look. It is fairly rusty, but sort that out. It's got a new chain sprocket on it, new chain guard. So we use those. We'll get the decal for here. Get that on there. I'll sort these out. Sort these engine cases out. It is leaking fuel from the carburetor, so we've got that to sort out. Get a new mudguard. It's done 15,000 miles. There we go. Yamaha fs1. Oh, it's going to be brilliant. Brilliant. Can't wait to ride it. Excellent. Right. I will see you when we get started.